Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready to dive deep with me again?
Always excited to go exploring, especially in the world of code.
Me too.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're all about AI and how it can help aspiring coders, learn faster and make a real impact.
Should be interesting.
Yeah, I think so too. We've got this YouTube video. It's called Coding is Changing: How to Get Ahead in 2025. Catchy, right?
Definitely grabs your attention. 2025 is right around the corner.
Exactly. So this is all about the future. And it says, forget memorizing all that syntax. It's more about understanding the logic, the big picture, and using AI as your coding partner. Wild, huh?
I actually just watched a demo of an AI coding tool and I was blown away.
Oh, really? Tell me about it.
Well, the video talks about this shift toward natural language coding, and this tool was a perfect example. You literally just tell the AI what you want to build using plain English, just like you talk to a friend.
So, like talking to Siri or Alexa,
Mm.
but instead of setting a timer, you're building an app.
Exactly. You could say something like, create a button that changes color when clicked, and the AI would just go ahead and generate the actual code for you. No need to memorize all the complex syntax.
Wow, that's pretty incredible. But if AI is doing all the coding, does that mean foundational coding knowledge is becoming less important? Like, why bother learning the basics if AI can just do it for you?
I get what you're saying, but understanding the fundamentals is still super important. Think of it like this. You can use a calculator to do math, right? But you still need to understand basic arithmetic to know what you're doing, how to use the calculator properly, and what the results actually mean.
So it's about knowing how to use the AI tools effectively, how to fix things when they break, and how to make sure your code is top-notch.
Exactly. Knowing the basics helps you work with the AI, understand its output, and fine-tune things. It's not about being replaced by AI, it's about working with it.
Okay, that makes sense. The video also mentions specializing, even with AI becoming more powerful. So even though AI is handling the complex stuff, you still need to pick your lane, right?
Right. Let's say you're into web development. You'll need to go beyond just general coding and really dive into things like APIs, cybersecurity, the specific frameworks used in web dev. AI isn't going to choose your specialty for you.
Yeah, it's like saying you want to be an athlete? Great. But which sport? Basketball, swimming, track and field. Each one has its own set of skills and rules.
Absolutely. And once you've chosen your coding sport, project-based learning is still key. The video really hammered that home. And that's where AI can be a total game changer.
So you're saying you could try to build, say, a complex e-commerce site, even if you're just starting out in web development?
You got it. AI can help you with the parts you haven't mastered yet. It handles the more complex coding. While you focus on the problem solving, the logic behind the whole thing, it's like having an expert developer by your side, guiding you through the process.
That's pretty amazing.
Mhm.
Okay, one more thing that really caught my attention was the idea of thinking like an entrepreneur in the video. What does that even mean for a coder?
It's all about approaching your coding projects with a problem-solving mindset. Don't just build something for the sake of building it. Think about the problems you can solve, the people you can help. What value can you bring to the world with your code?
So it's not enough to just be good at coding. You have to be able to identify real-world problems and then create solutions for them.
Exactly. And if you think like an entrepreneur, your coding projects become more than just lines of code. They become solutions to real-world challenges. And that, my friend, is a powerful thing to have in your portfolio.
So you're saying employers are looking for coders who not only have technical skills, but also the ability to think critically, creatively, and solve real problems.
You nailed it. And here's the big takeaway from the video. AI empowers you to be a solo developer who can build amazing apps, maybe even start a successful business much faster than before. It's like having a superpower.
Wow. Okay, so if AI can do so much, what are the most valuable skills for someone to focus on in this new world of coding? Like, where should people be focusing their energy?
It's all about honing those problem-solving abilities, thinking outside the box, and being able to see the needs of the world and how your code can meet those needs.
So it's less about just writing code and more about using AI as a tool to build solutions, to make a real impact, right?
Absolutely. It's an exciting time to be a coder.
Totally agree. Lots to think about as you start your coding journey, everyone.
And don't be afraid to experiment with AI. You never know what you might create.
That's a great point. Thanks for joining me for this deep dive. Really appreciate your insights.
Happy to be here. Until next time.
See you all next time. And keep coding, everyone.